Homer Simpson is a machine manufacturer and customer of Turck. He himself has a business relationship with his customer, Machine Operator End Customer 1. End Customer 1 wants the cloud to be in their company colors and with their company logo instead of the Turck design. Homer Simpson can manage the necessary settings in the Administration view under the Interface tab. He uploads End Customer 1's company logo and adjusts the background colors to match the corporate design. Now all areas within the End Customer 1 project are shown with the appropriate background color and the customer logo. On request, a background image can also be used, but this is not the case here. Homer Simpson can make these modifications for each of his projects individually. This means he can offer his individual end customers customized design modifications. He can decide whether to customize the branding for the respective end customer, as shown in the example here, to give users of the end customer the impression that they are using an in-house system, or whether to customize the CI for his company's CI Machine Builder 1 and market it together with the machine as his product to the customer, so that it looks like a cloud solution from the machine builder.